What a beautiful facility, huh? Right? I can't wait to tour the other parts. So I know some of you probably already had a sneak peek. And what we're trying to make a huge difference in is our quality of life and our planet, but also looking at the youngest of our guests here this morning. We're trying to make sure that we're paying it forward so that they can have clean air, clean water, and can grow up in a community that appreciates the value of our public resources.
So the park system is unique in that we take projects from the beginning to the end. And we have designers and engineers and naturalists and a whole lot of people who have expertise in what we're doing behind us. But we can't do it by ourselves. We utilize a lot of help from our county partners, support from Kathy Smith and the Board of Supervisors office to really bring this whole thing to life.
Their imaginations will soar as they are exposed to simple machines like the Archimedes screw. Their creativity will surge as they create music and works of art on the playground. And they'll be able to connect with nature through the universal languages of fun and play through playground features and instructional kiosks on the site. This new interpretive center is going to be a great feature for children, for adults, for everybody coming into the county, and we are off the grid. This is a sustainable building. We have solar panels. We have this great map on the floor that shows the Sully district, shows different features, just brings everything together so people can really get a bigger experience of where other things are in the county too that we can see. So kids will be able to experience this physically. Every piece of this facility will be a place where people can learn.
So I'm so happy to invite you into the Environmental Education Center, and then I'm going to kick you out to actually be able to experience all that the site has to offer.